Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avirash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar, and as you can see, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. As we all know, okay, market broke the support, okay, and market went down, okay, and things got messy here, okay. And if you remember correctly, whenever market was coming down to the support level, I was recommending a buy. In fact, I was also laying down community posts. But this time, when market came down to the support level, okay, I did not recommend a buy, okay, because okay, you need to understand the market psychology here. Yes, in almost every video I emphasize or I focus on the word or term market psychology, because see, understanding the market psychology is the key factor here. Okay, just try to understand my words. Okay, if you fail to understand, okay, then please watch the video again. Okay, see what happened here. Okay, as we all know, GBP USD is trading in a particular range, a narrow range for a couple of weeks, for last couple of weeks. Okay, so things were very obvious for us. Okay, we have a resistance here, and then we had one support here, and we all know that whenever it was coming down to the 1.4100 level, okay, market took support and market was bouncing. Things were very much obvious, because see, when market came down to the support level, I recommended buy, and here also I recommended a buy level, because see, this support was very much clear to us. Okay, and if we look at these candles, okay, then you can see that when market came down to the support level, market formed three candles, market went up. Again, market came to the support level, market formed three candles, market went up. Market formed three candles, went up. Market formed one candle, then immediately market went up. But here you can see that market has formed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 4 hours, one candle is of 4 hours into 9 means 36 hours. Okay, previously market was forming 2 to 3 candles and market was bouncing from the support, but this time market came down to the support level, but after trading at the support level for a couple of hours, market did not bounce, rather market stayed at the support level for 36 hours, for 36 long hours. Okay, and that was the key moment when we should have understand that something is wrong with the support. That was the moment. Okay, that was the key moment for us. Okay, and when market was at this level, I understood that something is wrong with the support, and that's why I did not go for a buy order. Okay, so one thing you must keep in mind, or one thing you must remember for the rest of your life, that market do not like obvious things. If your support becomes too obvious for the market, then just remember that that support is about to change, or that support will be no longer valid. Okay, if a resistance becomes too much obvious for us, okay, then just keep in mind that that resistance will no longer be valid. Market is about to change the resistance, and the same thing here also. Okay, the same thing happened here, but the support became too much obvious for us. Okay, the whole world came to know that yes, 1.4100 is a valid support, and as a result, market gave us a surprise. Market loves to give surprises. Okay. Anyways, let's jump to the chart. Okay, so overall the trend of the market is still towards the upside. Okay, the overall trend is still intact, market is in uptrend. Okay, and though market gave us a little bit of a shock, okay, here, but still, okay, still we can see that the trend, okay, trend is intact, and right, still market is trading in a particular range here, because see, market came down. Okay, market came down, hunted some stop loss. Okay, and then market is, you can see the market is trying to go up again, and right now we can see that market has entered the narrow range again. And if we take a look at the weekly chart, okay, as we all know, I'm a fan of weekly chart, the multi-time frame analysis. Let me remove the drawing so that we can see better. Okay, so this is the weekly chart. Okay, So in the weekly chart, we can see that market has formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Previous week market formed a spinning top kind of a pattern, and prior to that market formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. So we all know that spinning top pattern generally suggests that there was a battle between the bulls and the bears. There was an indecision in the market. But this time, this week, when sellers pushed the price towards the downside, bulls came in. Bulls came for the rescue and took the price upward again. So we can expect that market will be back to the range again. Okay, and we can see that. Okay, the PC is in battery saver mode. Okay, sorry. Okay, so we can see that market has a resistance also. Okay, market has a particular price level in the form of resistance, and the price level is from the third week of Feb. We can see that market was extremely bullish. Market was very much bullish in the weekly chart, but in the third week of Feb, price went up, but price failed to sustain above. Price came down, and market formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. And ultimately, we got a shooting star pattern, and right now that price level is acting as a resistance for the market, and that price level is still acting as a strong resistance. Market is struggling to cross the resistance for the past 4-5 weeks. Market is unable to do so, therefore that resistance is still valid. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hours time frame and see what should be our strategy. So we are back to the 4 hours time frame again. Okay, and as you can see, market is trying to, okay, market is trying to regain its position in the range again. Okay, but overall, considering this volatility and considering the present scenario of the market, I'll say that you should not go for a buy right away. Okay, because see, market was volatile, and still we cannot be too sure whether market will get the required support or not, whether market will be able to grab its place inside this range or not. Okay, so wait for some time. If possible, avoid GBP USD for 1 or 2 days. Okay, I'll say avoid. Okay, at least avoid for today. Okay, you do not need to risk your hard-earned money on a chart like this where things are not very clear. Okay, rather trade on other currency pairs where good opportunities are available. For GBP USD, okay, just avoid GBP USD and just observe the chart whether it succeeds in gaining its position or not. Just observe whether it goes up and starts trading in this range or not. Okay, if it starts trading in between the range again, then we know what we need to do. Okay, we can again buy here, we can sell here, okay, because this is the resistance and this is the support. But as of now, we need the confirmation, and looking at the particular candle or the present candle, we cannot be very much sure to go for a buy order, and we do not have any proper logic also to go for a short order or sell the market here. Therefore, in a position like this, as I always say, avoid. Okay, avoid. Never risk your money on a chart that you do not understand. So avoid GBP USD as of now and just observe the price whether it goes up or not, whether it succeeds in gaining its position in the range or not. Okay, if it starts trading in the range again, then we know what we need to do. But as of now, avoid GBP USD. Okay, so hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.